Today is a special day. I am visiting my grandma. Grandma? It is me, Sophia. I am here.
My beautiful Sophia, come here. Give me a big hug.
Grandma Rosa.
Let me look at you. More beautiful every time.
And you look amazing, Grandma, as always. Your kitchen,
It smells exactly the same.
like home. This kitchen never changes.
Only we change.
I brought fresh tomatoes from the Italian market.
These are perfect. My favorite kind.
Grandma, today you promised you will teach me the recipe.
Yes. Today I teach you my mother's recipe, her mother's recipe. First, you need this, my apron.
But Grandma, this is your apron.
Today it is yours. Put it on.
It fits. I feel like a real cook now.
You look like your mother when she was young. This recipe card, my mother wrote it in 1952.
1952? That is over 70 years ago.
First rule, choose the right tomato. Press gently. Soft means ready. I understand. Cut slowly. No hurry. Cooking is not fast. Cooking is love.
Tomato juice on my shirt.
That is okay. The first tomato is always messy. Try again. Your hands. They look like my hands when I was young. Now garlic. Hit it with your hand. Like that? With my hand? Yes! Strong. Do not be shy.
I did it! Perfect!
Good girl. Strong hands, like your grandmother. Olive oil first. Be generous. Do not be cheap with oil.
How much oil, Grandma?
I never measure. My heart tells me. You will learn. Listen to the garlic singing in the oil.
That smell.
It smells like my childhood.
Yes. Can I film this? I want to remember forever.
Film with your eyes, not with your phone.
You are right, Grandma. My eyes are better.
Good. Now come here. You stir. Slow circles, always the same direction, never fast.
Slow circles, same direction. Got it.
Now the tomatoes, all of them. Do not be afraid.
They are sizzling. So much steam.
Salt from high, it falls like rain on the tomatoes.
Salt like rain. That is beautiful, Grandma.
Never cut basil with a knife. Tear it with your fingers.
Why not cut it?
Because basil is gentle. A knife hurts it. Fingers are kind. Now it simmers. Low heat.
3 hours? That is so long.
Good things take time. Like love. Like family.
Grandma, who taught you this recipe?
My mother. In Italy. When I was 8 years old. Like you. My mother, Lucia. She had the most beautiful hands. And she stood right here. L'amore è il segreto, cara. She said the secret is not in the recipe.
Not in the recipe? Then where is it?
You will learn. At the end, I promise. Sophia, you are wearing Mama's apron.
Grandma gave it to me today for the lesson.
Ma, you are teaching her the recipe, the secret one? It is time, Maria. She is ready.
3 women, 3 generations, 1 recipe.
My mother would be so happy right now. Taste it. Tell me, what do you feel?
It is perfect, sweet and rich, like a warm hug. It tastes like home, like when I was a little girl.
Yes, that is the taste of memory. Push the dough with your palm, then fold, push again.
Like this? My arms are tired already.
Tired arms mean good pasta. Roll it thin, but not too thin, like paper but stronger. Maria, that is perfect. You remember well.
Is that not straight?
Crooked pasta has more love. Straight pasta is boring.
Salt from high, like Grandma taught.
The water must taste like the sea. Then the pasta is happy.
Salt the water like the sea. I will remember. It is floating. Is that good?
When it floats, it is almost ready. 2 more minutes. 3 hours, the sauce is ready. Smell it.
I can smell it from here. The whole house smells like heaven.
The special plates today, like Sunday dinner.
I remember these plates from when I was little.
The most important moment, the sauce meets the pasta.
Grandma, it is beautiful. It looks like a painting.
Food is art. Every plate is a painting. Before we eat, we are grateful for family, for food, for love.
Thank you, Grandma, for everything.
Thank you, Mama. We love you so much. The cook gets the biggest plate, always.
But Grandma, you are the cook.
Today, you are the cook. Eat.
Oh my God. This is the best thing I have ever tasted.
You made it with your own hands. That is why.
It tastes exactly like when I was 5 years old.
The recipe never changes. That is the magic.
Remember when Sophia put salt instead of sugar in the cake? Mom, I was only 7. Do not tell that story.
I remember.
Your face. You tasted it and said, I said, this cake tastes like the ocean.
Ocean cake! I will never forget.
Grandma, you said the secret is not in the recipe. I learned every step today. But what is the real secret?
The secret is not garlic, not tomato, not basil. The secret ingredient is the person you cook for. When you cook with love for people you love, every meal becomes perfect. That is the only secret. She told me the same thing 30 years ago in this kitchen.
The secret is love. I will never forget.
This recipe card, it belongs to you now. Take care of it.
Grandma, I cannot take your recipe card. It is in my heart.
Now put it in yours.
I will keep this forever. And I will teach my children. And they will teach their children.
That is how love lives. I love you both so much.
My mother.
This is what life is about. Nothing else matters. Look at my girls, washing dishes, just like when you were small.
It brings back so many memories, Mom. I love this. Grandma.
No, my love, it is yours now. Wear it. And remember me.
Thank you for today, Grandma. I will never forget it.
Come back next Sunday. We make bread. I love you, my beautiful Sophia. More than all the pasta in Italy.
I love you more, Grandma. More than anything. Bye, Grandma Rosa. See you soon. Your recipe card. In my kitchen now. I will make you proud. Olive oil first. Be generous. Do not be cheap. Hit it with your hand. Strong, like Grandma said. Never cut basil, because basil is gentle. Never cut basil, tear it, because basil is gentle. Slow circles, always the same direction, never fast. It tastes like love, just like she said. The secret ingredient is not in the recipe. The secret ingredient is love.